Hey there, gamers! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming headsets with the JBL Quantum 360X wireless headset. Let's see if this mid-range contender has what it takes to elevate your gaming experience. First off, let's talk design and features. The JBL Quantum 360X sports a sleek black and green colorway, perfectly complementing the Xbox aesthetic. The lightweight build and memory foam ear cups ensure hours of comfortable gaming, even for glasses wearers like myself. Plus, the button layout is intuitive, minimizing the risk of accidental presses during intense gaming sessions. One standout feature is the detachable boom mic, providing clear communication during multiplayer sessions. And with effective noise isolation, you can stay immersed in your game without distractions. However, the plastic build does feel a tad cheap at times, especially with the volume control wheel. Now, let's talk performance. The audio quality of the JBL Quantum 360X is solid, offering a varied sound profile that captures both subtle details and booming bass. Whether you're exploring distant landscapes or engaging in intense firefights, this headset delivers an immersive experience. During my testing, I found the headset's audio to occasionally become brash at higher volumes, with certain sounds sounding tinny or rattling. However, the overall performance remains impressive, especially considering the affordable price point. In terms of battery life, the JBL Quantum 360X lives up to its claims, offering a lengthy 22-hour runtime on a single charge. And with quick charging capabilities, you'll never have to worry about interruptions during your gaming sessions. So, should you consider picking up the JBL Quantum 360X wireless headset? Some text goes here. If you're searching for a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise audio quality or comfort, then absolutely. It may not have all the bells and whistles of premium headsets, but it gets the job done without breaking the bank. That wraps up our review of the JBL Quantum 360X wireless headset. Be sure to leave a comment below letting us know your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews on all things tech. Until next time, happy gaming!